I am Kerry, like my mother before me and my mother's mother and her man. I am Kerry, and proud of my name. Magical lines from the pen of the great poet Cllr. My name is Norma Foley and I'm a general election candidate for the constituency of Kerry. First elected to Kerry County Council in 2004, I have also served on Tralee Town Council. I have held the position of Mayor of Tralee on 3 occasions and was honoured to serve as Mayor of Kerry this past year, 2018-19. As a public representative, I believe in positive, proactive leadership you can trust and a strong voice you can depend on to represent your vision and your ideals. I believe in the power and value of community, fostering and growing a strong sense of belonging, inclusion and opportunity for all. I have consistently delivered energetic, effective and committed representation at local level for the people of Kerry over the last number of years. I now seek to do likewise at national level. I earnestly seek your #1 vote or next highest preference so that I might continue to work for you and with you to best serve and shape our county and indeed our country over the next 5 years. For always, I am Kerry, and proud of my name. Vote 1, Norma Foley.